In today's edition of Park Plus Daily Dose, we take a plunge into the recently announced union budget and bring you few key highlights concerning the promotion of electric vehicles and revised custom duty rates on both local assembled and imported vehicles. In a bid to promote adoption of green mobility, customs duty exemption will be extended on import of capital goods and machinery required for manufacture of lithium-ion cells for batteries used in electric vehicles. The move will aid reducing cost of lithium-ion battery manufacturing in India, along with helping electric automakers with competitive pricing for their products. Moreover, central excise duty exemption is being provided to blended compressed natural gas from the total amount as is equal to the GST paid on biogas or compressed biogas contained in the blended CNG. The government has also increased the rate of custom duties for petrol, diesel and electric vehicles manufactured in semi-knockdown form from 30% to 35%. And finally, imported or completely built unit electric vehicles other than with customs, freight, insurance or with custom, freight and insurance that are valued at more than $40,000 or with engine capacity exceeding 3000 cc for petrol models and more than 2500 cc for diesel models will see customs duty rate increased from 60% to 70%.